Yes, you did read the title right. I think Apple can easily reach potentially $500 in the next week or so. Towards the end of the month, of course, everyone knows that Apple is giving out banana splits. Basically, that are splitting the overall the shares in 4-to-1 split towards the end of the month, aka the end of August. And I think this momentum has just been its first start really today, with that potential kind of like a wavy pattern that we saw just in the NASDAQ yesterday, with the Fed saying that the stock market's great, but the economy is not as great. Kind of just scared some folks and potentially could have triggered some people to sell some weak hands. That being said, with Apple case being a tremendous large market leader in indexes, ETFs, and just being a market darling and basically being the shining star with the overall stocks, this is an absolutely crazy move. And I know it sounds absolutely insane that I'm saying that Apple can hit $500 in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So what we're looking at here again, we're looking here at towards the end of August here, the 28th. That's the last monthly set before the split. Basically looking here at the $500 strike price, we can see that there is an enormous amount of open interest and volume trading there. Not meaning that this is meaning you need to go out and buy this tomorrow. Just be very mindful that this is a very much FOMO driven thing, and the closer we get to the date, the more FOMO is going to be kicking in, and FOMOs don't last. Apple's a great company, but does it really have to be up here at $500? It can be. I'm not going to judge it if it doesn't. It can easily come back down to $390, and that would be a great opportunity to add it potentially. But with this huge move, and ever since it's had its really record earnings report and the announcement of the split, it has just been riding up the 5 and 8 moving averages and just continually grinding higher. Not even grinding higher, it's like just floating higher. It's just floating off into space on some balloons or something like that, with wings, and just kind of easily going up into the stairway to heaven, basically, and just the heaven being basically the $500 price target. Of course, $500 is a nice round number. Can tomorrow come in and President Trump tweets something, or something bad happens in the world, and Apple can go down? Without a doubt, yes. I think Apple's still on the overall ascension to the $500 strike price, $500 target. Again, really using these 5 and 8 moving averages being, again, those are the very aggressive moving averages that we use if you want to be in and out day trading, very short-term swing trading. The 5 and 8 are going to be your best friends. Of course, you can see this pattern really holding between the 5 and 8 and just continue to grind higher. There is no particular signs of a potential stoppage here yet. Again, yes, we can talk about this. Issues coming out, the overall market can crash, yes. First downward side support initially, if you're going to be on a short-term trade, day trade or swing, your basically first stop's going to be around the 458. Okay, 458. Next level is going to be around the 21. I'm really going to call it where the parabolic SAR is. It's going to be around 427.66. Again, we didn't think that Apple could jump up this much. Why can't it just continue going higher to 500, right? That makes sense, right? There's free money out there. I want my banana split, everyone. Give me my banana split in my Apple stock. That being said, be very careful out there. This is a very strange market to be in, especially if you're just starting to trade. Stocks just go up. That's basically the norm that I hear a lot, and stocks are going up, but that's not honestly the norm. Like, this is a very strange period in time where there's a very much of a V-shaped recovery in a lot of these stocks, especially with Apple just being a monster of the beast here, really holding that 5 and 8 moving averages since the bottom of basically March, and just really holding that 5 and 8 moving averages, coming down a couple times to the 21, and even kind of give us a little head fake here at the 34, but just continue grinding higher. This is a great momentum. We're nowhere over bought here on the RSI as well. On the weekly side, we're looking a little tipsy-topsies here, but that's okay. Again, that 8 EMA on the weekly side, so if you're going to be a little bit longer term trading, you really want to look for around 420 to potentially getting into that particular price target in Apple. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We do have a live stream tonight. I would love to see everyone out there. That'd be at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.